The long-anticipated shift in Samsung's battery technology may finally be here. According to a highly reliable source, Samsung's upcoming Galaxy tri-foldable smartphone prototype is equipped with a silicon-carbon battery, a major upgrade from the conventional lithium-ion batteries that have powered its devices for years. This tri-foldable phone is expected to launch later this year, but it won't be available everywhere. Samsung is planning to manufacture only around 200,000 units initially, targeting just a few select regions. That limited production isn't due to supply constraints. It's because the phone is going to be extremely expensive, and Samsung knows it won't be a high-volume seller. Instead, it's aiming this model at early adopters and tech enthusiasts who are eager to experience cutting-edge foldable technology paired with the next-generation battery. A silicon-carbon battery marks a significant improvement in battery tech. It can store more energy in the same amount of physical space compared to a traditional lithium-ion battery. This allows for better battery life without increasing the size or thickness of the device. Other smartphone manufacturers like OnePlus, Vivo, and Xiaomi have already started implementing this new battery type in their flagship models, the OnePlus 13, Vivo X200 Pro, and Xiaomi 15 Pro being prime examples. Samsung, on the other hand, has faced ongoing criticism for being slow in adopting such innovations. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, for instance, still uses a lithium-ion battery and only supports charging speeds up to 45 W. That's well behind the competition, with some devices offering 100 W or even faster charging. Fans have been vocal in asking when Samsung would catch up, especially in terms of battery technology. It seems that moment has finally arrived. The Galaxy tri-foldable's inclusion of a silicon-carbon battery serves multiple strategic purposes. One of them is to address the challenge of balancing power and design. The battery capacity in this tri-foldable is reportedly under 5,000 mAh, which may sound underwhelming by current flagship standards. But because it's a silicon-carbon battery, it can still deliver respectable endurance despite the lower capacity on paper. That's critical for a device like this, as foldables consume more power due to their complex and large displays. And make no mistake, this tri-foldable will require serious power. With its expansive multi-panel display design, it demands a battery that's not just powerful but also efficient. Even with the improved technology, expectations should be realistic. The battery life is likely to be average, given the device's high power consumption, but without the silicon-carbon battery, it would probably be far worse. Durability is another area where silicon-carbon batteries have the edge. These batteries tend to degrade more slowly than traditional ones, meaning they can maintain their performance over more charge cycles. For a high-end foldable that will rely heavily on battery stamina, this added durability is a big plus. This shift may also signal a broader transition within Samsung's lineup. If the tri-foldable performs well and the silicon-carbon battery meets reliability and safety standards, it could pave the way for future flagships to adopt this tech. Devices like the Galaxy S26 series, the Z Fold 8, and the Flip 8 could all benefit from this advancement in 2026. Samsung has been playing it safe with batteries ever since the infamous Galaxy Note 7 incident. That caution has led to slower adoption of new battery technologies, but it also ensured user safety. With the silicon-carbon battery now in testing with the tri-foldable, it seems Samsung is ready to move forward, carefully but confidently. This development marks an important moment not just for Samsung, but for the mobile industry as a whole. As more manufacturers move toward foldable devices with higher power demands, innovations like silicon-carbon batteries are no longer optional. They're necessary. So while the Galaxy tri-foldable may not be a mass-market success due to its high price and limited availability, it's an important step in proving that new battery technology can be scaled and integrated into future mainstream devices. It's a bold move, and if all goes well, it could be the beginning of a new era for Samsung smartphones, one where battery life, charging speed, and device efficiency no longer have to come at the cost of design or innovation.